Oh yeah, look at them bars. Yeah, sure.
You back yet? Yeah!
Let's go! What's up, guys? Right here on Lake Murray. Right here at Lake Murray, as you can see, we'll give a little pan action. The water is crystal clear. So much clearer than at Latonka. We went to Latonka yesterday. We caught 2 fish the entire time. Came caught 2 fish. Yeah. I wouldn't even say I caught one. Snagged it. He snagged a catfish and a little bass about that long. But we're back out here. We're gonna give it a run. We've already seen some fish. Yeah, there's some fish under this dock, and I mean, it's looking good. Hopefully we can catch them. Get him? Yeah. Gooder? It is a nice one. That's a nice smallie. Yep. Is any water on the limbs? No. Let's give her a look, bub. There it is, bub. Nice little smallie. Let's get a release on this bad boy. Oh, she's ready. There she goes. No underwater release? We'll get it. We'll get it eventually. Job comes in. Oh, get him. Have a nice one. Oh, a really nice one. Uh-huh. Look at that. Oh, wow. Let's get him in the boat. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm about to lip him for you. I was about to just get him in. Yeah, I know. I got that whole thing too. Gosh, dang it. That probably was the biggest one that we've caught out of here. I know. Like you hadn't done that like 4 or 5 times. Yeah, I know, but I was about to lip him for you. I didn't know that. I was about to tell you, and then you pulled it up. I was just trying to get him in before he got off. And he didn't get in. Oh yeah. That might be your first smallie. Oh yeah. Is it? Oh yeah. I don't know. I don't think it is. Is it even a smallie? Yeah. Yeah. That's what what I'm talking about, E-Rye.
Everybody's got one.
We're counting mine.
Oh, never mind.
Oh! Bye-bye. He wouldn't open his damn mouth. I told you me and Hunter were down here last time.
Got him.
Is he a good one?
No.
Oh yeah. Oh, she's pretty.
Yeah. Get y'all close up in a minute. Caven, still hoping for another bite.
Yeah.
Blue.
Look at the colors on
Right
that
here. Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
bad dog.
Beautiful fish. Let her go. There she goes. Perfect.
Oh, what the heck?
You got one.
I had
That's a
one.
big one.
No chances with that one.
That's a big one.
I didn't even know I had him.
Were you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. I
Oh,
should be.
You want me to film? Okay. Yeah. That's a big one.
Yeah, I had no idea I had him. I was just reeling up and it felt, it just heavy.
I'm gonna have to get it underwater with that one. Yeah. There it is. That's probably the biggest one we've caught out of here.
No.
Yes. No. 100%. That one's pretty big.
A nice smallie. We've caught bigger than that.
Sure, Timmy.
He's thin too.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Give him to the camera.
Oh. Hold on. What a underwater release on that puppy.
Normally. I will say, look at this. Look how tore up that is.
Probably from a rock or something. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yep. Oh, where's my phone? Oh, big jump. It's a nice one.
Is it?
My phone's glitching out. You got it?
Yeah, we're here. Get her up. Yes, sir. Ooh, that ground's hot, boy.
A bit of this action.
I need to reel on my pole.
Little underwater.
Little jet ski out there.
Out there. Got a little
Right
smallie
there.
action.
The beat bob.
Get in the water.
Good? Yeah.
That was a good one. pound?
No. I don't even know if that first one was a pound.
Yep.
Got him?
Yep.
Is he good?
Got him.
There you go.
Next one of the day.
I'll let Eli take over.
It was literally right when I cast it out. Okay, he's been getting a little action maybe.
I know.
What number is that?
Oh, I don't even know. There he is. Let's get a release on.
The weightless is just not my style. Missing. Didn't have anything. You get it?
Yeah.
Yep.
You got her? Yep.
On the retrieve. It's a good one?
I'm gonna get you in your way, bro.
Oh, you want me to lip it? Oh, yeah, you got it.
There it is.
There she is.
That's a good one. Right here, bub.
Oh, this hook's like in there, though.
Good hooks, eh?
There she's out. Another. Have a nice
Right
smile.
here.
Let's get a release on her.
It's a good one? It's a largie. First largie.
There it is. First largemouth of the day.
I've broken off 12 times.
Yep. Me and Kevin are having a rough time out here. Hunter's just throwing her out there and getting him out a new one. Yep, there it is. Just dead. Me and Kevin are working on it, but haven't succeeded much.
Got any more? Now Eli's about to catch one right here.
Let's see that hook set method. Like, what are you doing there? Step back, like one right foot back, and then just. Whatever you do. Oh, go.
Oh!
Get him
Get him
in!
in! This-
Yeah, buddy! There he is.
I can't believe that happened while we were.
Yeah, I didn't know what he was doing. I was like, I thought you were just showing me, and I was like, oh, hee.
Whoa there, pal. Don't
Fall off.
I told you as soon as I got the camera back on. Just for Eli.
Cameraman's caught more than Kevin.
Yeah, he has. No?
Yeah, you caught one.
come here, camera. Come here, Mr. Camera. Human camera. Yep, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Let's see the release.
Give him a kiss.
Thank you, Mr. Fish.
Oh. Here.
Oh. Let's see it, Eli.
Yeah, got him?
Yes!
Oh, it's a nice one.
It's not a smallie though, I don't
Get him
think.
down, get him down.
It is a smallie. Oh,
Put him in, yeah. That's a smaller one.
it is a smallie.
Oh yeah, look at that one.
there going time. Yeah, come on, man.
Woo! Look at that fish, man. Yeah, yeah, thumbnail. Let's go. Biggest fish caught ever in this lake. Not telling you the lake, gatekeeping the lake. Let's go. Hashtag cameraman commentator.
Oh yeah, that one's getting an underwater release because
Hold on, hold it up. This.
Oh, here we go.
You got him?
Yeah.
I got you.
Oh, there's a log right here.
Oh.
Is it a big one? Where's it at?
Yeah.
Nice, Dave.
That might
Is
be
that a good
rough.
swimmer?
Helping? You let go? Oh, I watched him eat that.
There he is. That was just like.
You seen it too?
Yeah, I saw it.
That's kind of a dink. That's the smallest one.
I'll watch that one come up and grab it.
I hope I got that on film. It's pretty cool. Did I lose my thing?
Yeah, it flung in the water.
It flung in the water? Oh. Look how tiny that thing is. Alright, let's see if he'll. Oh! Oh.
Your hook set suck.
Huh?
I'm just kidding.
Dang. That was a chill release. That would have been perfect for underwater action. Oh yeah. Is that another largie? Yeah. I was getting prepared to jump in for it.
I thought it was a big one.
I thought it was too. I mean, it's a big one.
Sit, sit.
You about to get one? You said oak.
There
Or
it
was that
is,
you, though?
Bum.
Yeah.
Big old
Yeah,
largemouth.
nice and close.
Well,
Yeah.
not a big one, but
Hey,
it's a fish.
there you go.
These largemouths right now. Right now. I love you, buddy. But
The old rocket fishing rod. That's what you had right there, Hunter.
Carter used to have one now.
Really? Was it any good? Oh. Is it a good one?
You got you one?
You need help? That's a good smallie.
oh yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
That's a dang good one. You got it.
Yeah.
Weigh it. Might as well.
Hey, can you
Alright.
take this real quick while I reel this in?
Well, we're gonna weigh it real quick so you can stop it.
I was filming too. Filming on the catch.
I got him that time. Come on, stay on. No.
Huh?
Oh, he came out. He wrapped me and came out. Oh, that's a good smallie. Stay on, stay on. Yeah! Bob! Bob! Hooked him on the side of the face. The top water action! Yeah! Oh, it's gorgeous. Top water popper action. Oh, I think that's gonna be my thumbnail.
I think the thumbnail's gonna be the.
Hold on. I wanna, yeah. You mind taking this? Oh.